Hey Nate, this is Molly with New England Leads. I know my husband spoke to you earlier, and our whole goal is just to help small businesses take back Google and to climb the rankings. So I'm excited to dive in. I was taking a look at your website, good looking website. You've got your About Us front and center, your reviews, really smart. I like that you've got a blog started. And, obviously this website is not very old. Looks like it's about 28 days old, or at least from the last time you updated. That's what I'm seeing here. But I saw that you're in Quincy, Mass. And so I went ahead and acted like I'm searching for a plumber in Quincy, Mass. Put a search. Looks like this, depending on where you're looking at, averages anywhere from 150 to 260 searches a month of people putting in Quincy, Mass. So that's a high volume. And if we can capture even 5% of that for you, what is that, 13 clicks to your site? That'd be great. So first thing that people are going to see, looks like people are paying for ads. Over 50 plumbers are paying for ads to come up when they search for Quincy, Mass. So if you click on here, a whole list of all the plumbers who are paying are going to pop up. Some people overlook that. Some people get trapped in the ads. But the first thing they're going to see is Google My Business, and that's the map that's going to pop up. And a lot of people think that this is based on, how close the business is to where you live, but it's not. It's, as you know, it's based all on rankings. And I couldn't find your Google My Business in here, so I went ahead and searched that separately. Now that's coming up. Or it was up here. Let's go back. Oh, that is it actually. So one thing that I noticed with your Google My Business, it's very photo heavy, which is great. That's exactly what Google wants. And I don't know how you save these, but depending on how you save them can actually drive traffic to you and help you pop up more if you save them with specific keywords. Google does like if you can get 25 reviews or more. So I noticed that you do have 4 Yelp reviews. If you can incentivize them to put Google reviews on here, that's really, really great. But I also noticed that you don't have a city up. And I know, New England's small. A lot of people go to all different kinds of cities. But it's one of those where if you don't have, you think you're marketing to everybody, but if you're not marketing to a specific area, you're really not marketing to anyone at all. So I would recommend putting your address up in here. It'll just help you pop up more on the Google My Business. And then in your description, there could be a description right here. You can put all the places that you service. Oh, there you go. There's your description. So you could put all the places that you service. And same, I noticed that you do have a Facebook page. Doesn't look like it's been used a lot lately, 2019. But it's a free way for people to find you. So same, right in here, I would put your place where you're located. I would put Quincy, Mass in here just to help you pull up on those searches. So what I did do is I wanted to figure out, how did this guy get to number 2? Mainly the way that you rank up here, not only is reviews and those things, but it's also through your citations, which is wherever your name, address, phone number shows up in the web, how many times. So I noticed that you have 14 citations. Cardarelli, who was number 2, as we saw, they've got 27. So you can pull up a tool like I'm using whitespark.ca and find the places where they are listed that you're not. This is going to be things like, Bing, Yelp, Manta. Focus on the ones that are up here's got their domain authority. You want the high number ones. The lower number ones, we can not worry, like who even knows what that is, right? But you'll even see, like on Blue Book, they're listed twice in here. It's okay to get yourself listed 2 or 3 times from the same citation place. So that's one way that we can get you to move up in the Google My Business rankings. Then under Google My Business, you're going to see what we call organic traffic. So the organic sites are going to pop up. Number 1 is Yelp, Roto-Rooter, Home Advisors, Angie's List. Out of the 10 on here that I saw, it looks like 6 of them are directories like Yellow Pages and Thumbtacks. Google doesn't want these to be first. They actually really do have a push for small business to beat out Thumbtack and Yellow Pages. And so believe it or not, they're actually pretty easy to surpass them on this front page. Only 4 businesses on the front page right now are actually real plumbing businesses. So there's plenty of room. I went ahead and I searched McMahon Plumbing, who came up for Quincy. And McMahon, you'll notice up here, oh, it's not popping. Oh, I've still got your URL in there. So their main page is McMahon Plumbing, but they have ranked Quincy, Mass specifically. Just like on yours, how you've got all of these different cities down here, they've got the same, except for they've been able to make a page that ranks for each specific city. So we're going to go with the Quincy one because that's the search that we put in. It's a decent looking site. It's fine. It's not that great, but it's ranking, and that's all that really matters. Google doesn't care about how it looks. What they really care about, they want a lot of words and they want a lot of backlinks and citations. Ideally, Google would like you to have 1,500 or more words on your front page or on your ranking page. So looks like you've got 518. So there's plenty of room to add more words, which that's what Google likes because words is what gets you found. So again, knowing that it's a new site, you don't have a lot of domain authority yet with Google. Ideally, we want these ratings to be the same. I mean, they're essentially the same because they're nothing right now, but we want to get this up. At the moment, you're not really ranking for much. Keyword-wise, if somebody put in Watertown Plumbing Inspector, they'd find you. You're number 58, and that's really only searched 20 times a month. So you're ranking for that, and that's good. But you don't have backlinks or referring domains. We put in McMahon, and they have 880 backlinks coming from 107 different domains. They've got 697 keywords that they're ranking from. Their website, this specific one, it's not even their main page website, but this one gets 440 clicks a month. And that's huge, but that's because they have so many keywords that they're ranking for and so many backlinks. So what you do, you come in, you find their referring domains, and we start getting your site listed there. And again, focusing on domain ranking, that shows how much authority that they have. So yeah, do you need to be on heating repair? I don't even know what that says on this blog spot. That's got 0 domain ranking. It's not really getting them much. But places like Yellow Pages, Super Pages, Porch, that's where they've got a lot of their listings. And because Google really trusts these sites, it's showing Google, hey, these guys have authority. And then, sorry, go back to the overview. You want to check out their keywords and see, hey, where are they ranking for? And how many clicks are they getting for that? So, plumber, Quincy, Mass, that's what we put in. They're number 4 on that. They're getting 13 clicks just from that keyword alone. But because they're so keyword heavy, all these add up that they're getting clicks for. So it's a very easy thing to follow once you figure out what are they ranking for and how do I outrank them. Again, this is your website. You've got 518 words. They've only got 512 on that site that's ranking. So you're already ahead of the pack right there. We just need to up your number of keywords that we can get you to rank for. So that's a little overview on some of the things that I found that you can do on your site. I hope that it's been helpful. I hope that, my computer's freezing right there. Whoop, that wasn't what I was looking for. Where are you? There we go. If you take this and run with it and do it yourself, I wish you the absolute best of luck, or you're welcome to take it with whoever you're working with to build your website. I don't know if you did that on your own, if you got someone to help you with that. If you've got any questions, you can always reach out to me at molly@newenglandleads.com, or you can call me 603-480-5660. Anytime I'm available, even if it's just for questions. I would really love some feedback though. Like I said, my goal is to help small businesses take back Google. And so if you would like some help, or if you know anybody who would like some help, or if you even have feedback that would help me improve these videos to help someone else, I welcome it. And I hope you've got a really have a really great evening, and I can't wait to hear how things go for you and your business. Thanks.